Hi, in this video, we are going to see the relationship SOCL. It will be an introduction video. We'll be explaining what is mean by a relationship and what is the help of relationship SOCL in your implementation. That's what we are going to discuss in this video. So basically, if you want to get records from different objects, then probably we will be using relationship SOCL. This is the simplest form of explanation. So you are already aware of SOCL, right? Structure Object Query Language. SOCL is a programming language which is used in Salesforce Apex to query the records or to fetch the records from your org to your programs, right? So similarly, the SOCLs also can be used to query more than one objects in a single stretch, right? So that's what it is called as a relationship SOCL. So relationship SOCLs will bring more than one object records at the same point of time. It may be from standard objects or it may be from custom objects. So the relationship queries traverse parent to child, or it can be traverse from child to parent. It means that you can query records from parent and it's all related childs, or a child record along with its parent record information also. So in that way, the relationship flow can be. The relationship queries in SOCL must have a validation, must have a valid relationship path. It means that if you want to query records from more than one objects, these two objects should be connected, right? How in Salesforce the two objects will be connected? The two objects will be generally connected in Salesforce with the help of a relationship field. Either there should be a lookup relationship or there should be a master data relationship. If there is no relationship between these two objects, then obviously you cannot use the relationship SOCL. So this is a very crucial point. If you want to use a relationship SOCL, then the two objects should have a relationship in between. In the child object, you should have a relationship field which will point to the parents. Then only we can say that these two objects are related to each other, and we can use the relationship SOCL to fetch records from these two objects using a single SOCL. So what are the different ways we can, write a relationship SOCL? As I explained earlier, it can be a parent to child relationship queries. For example, from the diagram you're seeing, right, there is one account record. Account is considered as a parent object and contact is considered as a child object. So an account can have more than one contact. So it's a one-to-many relationship, right? So if I want to get an account record called Burlington Textile along with its all the contact information, then I will be writing parent to child relationship query. This will return the account record Burlington Textile along with its child record information also. So we'll be seeing in the upcoming video how to write the SOCLs and execute it. So this is simply an introduction. Okay. So similarly, you can write a SOCL from child to parent also. For example, we have a contact record. Contact is a child. I want to query the contact record last name along with the account name also, which the contact is associated with. So parent is the account and contact is the child. It is a one-to-one relationship here. From you look up from contact relationship, right? From the contact side, if you look at it, it's a one-to-one, right? It maybe looks like a one-to-one. One contact will have one account, right? So basically in that aspect, if you look at it, so that's why it is a single line is mentioned there. So I want to get the contact last name along with its account name also. Account name stored in a different object that is stored in the account object, and last name is stored in the contact object. So now we want to get information from both the objects, so we can write a simple child to parent relationship query to fetch records from contact as well as from account. So these are the main classifications generally. Okay, what is the key behind this relationship SOCL? So if you want to be master of this relationship SOCL, then you need to definitely know about the relationship field a little bit better. So this relationship field is a key field which helps you to traverse between objects and fetching the information. For example, in the contact object, always the relationship field will reside in the child object, right? That you should be pretty much clear. If you consider the standard objects account and contact, then obviously contact will be the child, right? In the contact object, we will have a field called account ID, right? We will have a field called account ID. Account ID is the field name and its label is called account name. Which object it is pointing? It is pointing to account. It means that in the contact object, I have a relationship field called account ID. This relationship field is a lookup to parent account. So this is the key field which will helps you to fetch information from both parent as well as child, or you can traverse from the other side, child to parent. So this is the key field. So this key field is called the relationship field. If you are master of this relationship field, then obviously you can write beautiful relationship sockles. So this relationship field has couple of key, key information in it. For example, if a user clicks this relationship field first column, that is the account name label column. If the user clicks this account name, then it will take him to the next page. In the next page, if you see, there are a couple of properties exist. One of the property is called child relationship name. It was highlighted, right? Child relationship names. This child relationship name is called, mentioned here as contacts. It is in plural. So if you want to fetch information from parent to child, that is from account to contact, I want to get account along with all contacts, then it is called a parent to child. If you want to use a parent to child relationship query, then you have to use the child relationship name. Okay. So that's why it is mentioned here, helps to traverse from parent to child. In the child object, we have a field called, account ID, and it has an attribute called child relationship name. This one we will be using in the parent to child relationship query. It's always in plural. That's a standard way, right? So you'll be seeing in hands-on how to do that. So similarly, if you look at the way the field looks, on top of this child relationship name field, you have another attribute called field name. So field label is account name, field API name is account ID. Along with that, this field has two attributes. One is field name, one is relationship. This field name attribute is used in the relationship sockle when you are traversing from child to parent. So if you are going to traverse from child to parent, let's say I want to get a contact record along with its parent account information, then in the relationship sockle, I will be using the field name. In the standard object contact, this field name is called account. So we will be using account dot name in the relationship sockle to query the child to parent record information. That is basically the account information. So to make it very simple, if it is a parent to child relationship query, then you will be using child relationship name attribute. If it is from child to parent, we will be using the field name attribute. Okay. So hope this might have given some, clear idea about relationship sockle. In the upcoming video, we will be seeing in hands-on how to write the relationship sockles.
If you are interested to learn Salesforce, visit AJ Skill Development website. There you can find our course curriculum and you can come to know about the list of courses we are offering. We are offering Salesforce Administrator and Salesforce Development courses. To know about us and the team, you can visit our About Us section. This is an organization we are doing Salesforce training from 2018, and we have trained and guided 2000 plus candidates so far. And if you also want to know about our placement assistance, visit our placement assistance section where you can find the list of people and the category. You can see the list of people who got trained and placed from our side. You can also visit their LinkedIn pages to get to know about our training and also the feedback from the relevant trainees. Okay. And also, if you want to do the course inquiry, click on contact us. You will see the form. You can fill the form and submit the inquiry. Our team will get back to us. Thank you.